How to react with emojis in Discord. Want to laugh, thumbs up, or drop some fire on your friends' messages without typing a word? Today, I will show you exactly how to react with emojis in Discord. Super fast and fun. Let's go. On desktop, move your mouse over the message you want to react to. On mobile, tap and hold the message. A little smiley face will appear. Click it. This opens the emoji picker. Scroll to the emoji list or search for the one you want. Click it to react instantly. Want to add multiple? Just click the plus icon next to the existing emoji reactions and keep going. If you change your mind, just click the emoji you added. It will disappear. You can only remove your own reactions. Tips: Nitro users can use emojis from other servers too. On mobile, reactions are just as easy. Long press and tap your emoji. Great for polls, quick feedback, or just showing love. And that's how you react with emojis on Discord. Quick, expressive, and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.